Cut then update sa post ng Netflix Philippines. Is it hello or is it goodbye? I can wait to see Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richard as Joy and Ethan on Hello Love Again, coming to Netflix February 13. And excited na lahat mapanood ng Hello Love Again.
This is Catherine Bernardo.
And now showing na sa Indonesia ng Hello Love Again.
Hello Love Again.
Ito sa Gym Buddies group ni Joros, may nagtanong kay Joros, sabi, how's Kat din? Good naman, magkakasama kami ng Sunday, siguro sa wake ni Lolo Danny ni Alden. Kuya Joros, magkakasama na ba mag-church ang Kat din? Si Kat nag-go sumama sa akin soon. Si Alden naman di ko pa natanong, pero malamang sasama din yun. Si Alden na ba at Kating officially sagutin mo ibang question na hindi mo pa nasagot? Gym Buddies. Nanti kong bibiglang si Joros sabay dila. Yung emoji. Ito naman rin ni Catherine, na endorsement niya. Yun o. Ganda ni Catherine, no? Catherine sets the tone for the year ahead with big pieces that reflect a style and intention of 2025, you know. Tapos kay Alden naman for bench. And sinot yan sa studio ni Catherine. No matter what the day brings, Alden, you can look, keep your style on point. Wherever your relaxed mood or fashion is today, this week, make sure you are always will look fresh, you know. Sa post ng TNT, and namit pa ni Catherine, yung mga lucky winner dyan sa TNT promo. At nakasama rin na kumain si Catherine. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.